Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing a small section and taking the first actionable steps now. You clean with degreaser so paint adheres. Once done, sand to 400-600 grit to create mechanical bite. Make sure to mask surrounding panels tightly to avoid overspray lines. Shake the can 2 to 3 minutes, then test spray on scrap to confirm pressure and color match. Hold the can 6-8 inches from the surface and use smooth, overlapping passes to lay down. Once the tack coat is dry, you continue by building up color with multiple light coats rather than one heavy layer. You apply 3 to 5 thin passes, waiting 5 to 10 minutes between each to avoid sagging. This ensures even leveling and reduces orange peel. Make sure to feather at the edges with short controlled strokes so the repair blends into the factory finish. If you see a run, stop, let it set, then sand and recoat. Prevention is better, so keep the can moving. Finally, you complete the job by protecting and leveling the finish. Once the color has fully flashed, apply a clear coat in 2 to 3 light layers, keeping the same 6-8 inch distance and waiting recommended flash times. This locks in gloss and durability. After curing, wet sand with 1000 to 2000 grit and polish to restore shine. If you encounter gloss defects or fish eyes, sand the affected area lightly, clean thoroughly, and reapply clear. This remedy fixes contaminants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.